Now we'll see a problem in quantum mechanics. I have taken this problem from Introduction to Quantum Mechanics by Griffiths and Sherother. The problem is show that d by dt of integral from minus infinity to plus infinity psi 1 star psi 2 dx equal to 0 for any two normalizable solutions to the Schrodinger equation with same v of x psi 1 and psi 2. So given that psi 1 and psi 2 be any two normalizable solution to the Schrodinger equation with same v of x. Now we have to show that d by dt of integral from minus infinity to plus infinity psi 1 star psi 2 dx equal to 0. So the Schrodinger equation with solution psi 1 and potential v can be written as I h cross dou psi 1 by dou t is equal to minus h cross square divided by 2m dou squared psi 1 by dou x squared plus v psi 1. So from this we can write dou psi 1 by dou t as I by I h cross by 2m dou squared psi 1 by dou x squared minus I by h cross v psi 1. Now if you take complex conjugate, then it is dou psi 1 star by dou t is equal to minus I h cross by 2m dou squared psi 1 star by dou x squared plus I by h cross v psi 1 star. Since we need psi 1 star, so I have take a complex conjugate. So the Schrodinger equation with solution psi 2 and the potential V is I h cross dou psi 2 by dou t is equal to minus h cross squared divided by 2m dou squared psi 2 by dou x squared plus V psi 2. So dou psi 2 dou t is equal to I h cross by 2m dou squared psi 2 by dou x squared minus I by h cross V psi 2. Now you take dou by dou t of integral from minus infinity to plus infinity psi 1 star psi 2 dx is integral from minus infinity to plus infinity time derivative of psi 1 star psi 2 dx. So time derivative of psi 1 star psi 2 is psi 2 dou psi 1 star by dou t plus psi 1 star dou psi 2 by dou t. So substitute equation 3 and 5 in equation 7, then we'll get psi 2 dou psi 1 star plus psi 1 star dou psi 2 by dou t is equal to minus I h cross by 2m psi 2 dou squared psi 1 star by dou x squared minus psi 1 star dou squared psi 2 by dou x squared. This term can be written as dou by dou x of psi 2 dou psi 1 star by dou x square dou x minus psi 1 star dou psi 2 by dou x. So now you substitute these values, then equation 6 becomes d by dt of integral from minus infinity to plus infinity psi 1 star psi 2 dx is equal to minus I h cross by 2m psi 2 dou psi 1 star by dou x minus psi 1 star dou psi 2 by dou x and substitute the limit minus infinity to plus infinity because we have dou by dou x and integral is also with dx, so that will be cancelled out. So it is substitute the limit minus infinity to plus infinity. When x tends to infinity and plus infinity and minus infinity, the wave function and its derivative tends to 0. So after substituting the limit, we can get this value is equal to 0. So d by dt of psi 1 star psi 2 dx equal to 0. Thank you.